guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kimmy Kim, and today I have another awesome video for you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment number one for your girl on all social media. So today's video I will be doing a ponytail with braiding hair that you can get at the beauty supply store. The hair that I got cost $5, so this is bougie on a budget, honey. So let's get into the video. So first off, you want to start on clean hair. So I literally just got out of the shower, washed my hair to do this video for you guys, and plus my hair was a little dirty, so yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do is actually detangle your hair. As you can see, a curl, so I need my hair actually stretched out for this video. So I will be taking my comb and starting the detangling process on my hair. So I sectioned my hair into two sections, one in the front, one in the back. I already detangled the first section, which is on the top, and I'm detangling the back section. So then I grab my lusti gel, which is my go-to gel because it's so cheap. Okay, who has time spending $18 when you can use this gel for $5? So anyway, so I pass the gel all through my hair. I use a good amount of gel. Oh, peep the gray hair. You know, sister is getting a little old. Okay. So I just use my brush, like I said, to brush my hair, and you know, I pass more gel and I put it in a ponytail. Then I get started working on the back section, where I would also be applying gel and also will be brushing the hair up, so that way I can create my nice high ponytail. Also, if you have Gorilla Snout, this is the best time to use this. I am out of Gorilla Snout because you know we're quarantined and everywhere is closed in St. Lucia, so you have to use what you have to use. But on a regular basis, a regular day, you can go ahead and use Gorilla Snout. And this is what my little high pony is looking like. And I use another ponytail just to create a very small bun. And yeah, this is what my hair looks kind of slicks down with lusti gel. So I'm not really into baby hairs. You all should know this by now. A sister is not into it. A sister can't even do it. So I'm not into it. But for the purpose of this video, I said, why not let me try a little something? You know, bear with me. I know it's not the best, but you know, let me try lay these edges down. You know, let me try. Also, if you have Gorilla Snout, you can really use this to lay your edges down because the lusti gel does not really have. Once you put the gel, your hair is already flying and in a mess, so you can always use the Gorilla Snout, which I find really holds my edges in place when I do, you know, try and do a little vava-voom with them. And this is what they're looking like. I think they look good. Do they look good? Let me know down in the comments if my edges looking on fake. I tried, okay? I really tried. And right now, you're just gonna grab your silk scarf. I personally use a silk scarf just to lay my edges down for about 20 minutes, so that way everything is nice and tight and right and looking good. But of course, for the purpose of this video, I did not stay with 20 minutes, okay? Probably like 5, okay? My sister was too tired, okay? Now I just take the hair out of the pocket, and this is what it looks like. I brush it, and then I take my ponytail to fasten it. So as you can see, I'm pushing, you know, the ponytail into the vagina of the other ponytail. That's it, ponytail. So I can fasten it, so that way I can put it around my bun that I created prior. So with this, I'm just pulling it into place. If you have smaller ponytails, it will be best to use because it will eliminate that little space you have in the center of the hair, which you can see, which isn't really nice. But you can always, you know, fix that with ball pins. So this is me 5 minutes after. I find it looks okay. I know this is about to fly in about 2.5 seconds. So let's get this video going quickly, guys. So I brush the hair again because this braiding hair gets tangled so quickly. It sucks, but oh well. We got it all we have to do. So I take the ponytail with the hair and wrap it around 3 times around the bun, and then I flip that hair to the back. Now, if I didn't use the entire packet, if you use the entire packet, this will work well for you. But if you don't, because I wanted this to look as natural as possible, even if it's not going to look as natural because it's 2 different textures, my hair is 2 different textures, you can always use a ball pin to fasten a bit of hair at the back of the bun that you created, so that way nobody can see it. So I take a piece of the hair and wrap it around just to cover that that ponytail we previously had. And guys, we're done. That's it. We finished. We good. We're looking good. Anyway, guys, I'm your girl Kimmy Kim. If you'd like to see more videos like that, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Ahora soy una chica mala. And then you kicking and screaming a big toddler. Don't try to get your friends to come